Okay. The next question is about the trade-up program.
Mhm.
If I do this trade-up deal, do I get the same amount of money as if I wouldn't do the trade-up?
Would you get the same amount of, so the trade-up program is a program and it's a solution. So if you don't do the trade-up program, that's okay. We're still going to help you sell your home for top dollar and get you maximum and really capitalize on the equity that's in your house right now. If you utilize the trade-up program, what we do is it really depends on the house that you're buying. That's why I want you to sit down with one of our real estate specialists, one of our success managers, we call them, and sit down with them. And then again, we tour your home, go through your home, get all the nooks and crannies of it, ask you all the questions about your house itself. Then we sit down with you and really go through a deep dive on questions on why you're selling, where are you going, ask you all the major questions that we really need to know, again, to formulate that solution, and then give you your best option of selling, really for top dollar, put the most amount of money in your pocket, or get you the dream home that you want, knowing that you need to get that other house right away. So it really depends on everything that you're doing, but we're going to provide you all the options, and then you're going to make a very educated decision at that point.